Hello children, we are about to explain. I am about to explain the exercise 7a. Okay, will not explain all the questions. I'll just take out some of the questions. So according to that, I'll go through with that. Okay, previously the chapter is done in the class, but I just want to check it that whoever wants have a problem in that particular question, so you can send me those questions in the evening session. So according to that, I'll make a clarifications and clear their doubts. Okay, so but some of you have said, but not the all, but I need the questions from all of you. Okay, so in the test and examination there won't be any problem solving the questions. So as we are doing the percentage chapter, the percentage chapter is not that new for you because the percentage is already done in the class. Okay, so as you know that when you complete start a percentage chapters, okay, when you start a percentage chapters, you can see here if there is 1%, then we can write it 1 by 100, right? Okay, 1 by 100. So that is the method of writing the percentage. Okay, so how to convert into a fraction form. 1% equal to 1 by 100. The off means in the format of Bodmas rule, you know that what is the off meant here. Off means it is a multiplication. Okay, so as we see here that for 55% is there, 55 by 100 we can write it as converted into a fraction. Percent into means off means into 160 plus 24% 25 by 100 into 50 minus 36% means 36 by 100 into 150. Okay, so into came from the off word. Okay, now you can see here that 11 by 2 into 16, how it came, because we can cancel the numerator and the denominator. 0 0 we can cancel it, and the remaining part is 55 by 10. So we can cancel the numerator and the denominator with the same table. Okay, so when you are cancelling the numbers, so use it starting from two table, not from the other tables, like randomly don't take out any number table, but you can start by two table, that is two. Okay, but you can see here that last digit is 5 and here is last digit is 0. So the 5 is not cutting by 2 and the 0 is cutting by 2, so we cannot take it 2 table to cancel this number, so we have to take it a 5 table. Okay, so in the 5 table both the digits are coming, that is 55 and 10, so we can take it that. So 5 11 is 55, 5 2 is 10. Okay, so that we pulled it down those numbers which is cancelled, and have the new one 11 by 2, the 11 by 2 into 16 plus 2, 0 0 is same as here, 0 0 is cancelled, 5 2 is 10, so 2 is here, 24 by 2, that 2 12 is 24, minus 36 by 2 into 3, that means 2, 0 0 is cancelled, 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is same as it is, like a 5 digit, last digit is 5 and last digit is 0, so we can cancel with the same table. Okay, so 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, so we got the numbers 36 by 2 into 3, so we have 36 by 2, that means if you cancel by 2 36, then we have 2 1s are 2, remaining is 1 1 and 8, 1 6 16, 2 8 is 16. Okay, now 11 into 8 is what, 88 plus 12 minus 54, 100 minus 54 will become easier after subtraction, 46. So this is your first number solution. Now in the next question we see here that a number is increased by 125 to 150, find the percentage increase. So in here it is written here number is increased from 125 to 150, so the original value of that particular increased is 125. Okay, the original value मतलब जो पहले का value है 150, for that will take it 150 as an original value, और again we can write it initial value. ठीक है, अभी आप देखोगे यहाँ पे न्यू वैल्यू है, न्यू वैल्यू कौन सा है 150, पहले का वैल्यू 125 था और पीछे का वैल्यू 150 है. ठीक है, तो उसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इंक्रीज इन परसेंटेज. सो आपको क्या निकालना है, फाइंड द परसेंटेज इंक्रीजेज. सो आपका कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है, आपको यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, इंक्रीज्ड वैल्यू इक्वल टू 150. ओके, दैट विल बी 150 माइनस 125, तो यहाँ पे निकलेगा आपका 25 विल बी योर इंक्रीज्ड वैल्यू. ठीक है, so increased value will be 25 and the original value will be 125 into percentage. 100 means 100 means what, to find the percentage we have to put the 100 and multiply with the 100. Okay, so after that we can cut the digits, 25 5 125 into 100. So 5 to the 20, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10. Again the 0 will come with the 2, so the 20% is your answer, the second number solution. Now the question number 3 is, question number 3, find 45 is what percent of 54. 45 is what percent of 54. So यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है आपका 45 is what percent of 54. is हम what percent of 54 पूछा है यहाँ पे, so we can take it as let x percent. ठीक है, what percent means x percent, what percent means x percent of 54. So according to the questions we can write 45 is, तो is mathematical term में equal to में आता है. ठीक है, 45 is means mathematical term में equal to आता है what percent means x percent of 54, x percent of 54. So x percent convert into a fraction, that is x by 100 into 54, of will convert in multiplications to 45 by 1. So why? Because 1, because it is in the fraction form, 54x by 100 fraction form. So it is written here 45 by 1 equal to 54x by 100. So it is written here, we can do the cross multiplications. After the cross multiplications we got 54x equal to 100 into 45. So x equal to 100 into 45 by 54. So after cancellations we can cut 9 5 45, 9 6 54, 2 3 is 6, 2 50 is 100. So after multiplying the remaining numbers we got 250 by 3, that means 250 by 3. After dividing we got 2 3 8 is 24, 5 and 4 cancel 1, and this 0 came down 0, 3 3 is 9, 1 83 1 3 1 by 3%. Now the question number 5. Okay, question number 4 is similar with the question number 3 as well, so that's why I haven't done that one. So we'll do the question number 5. Find the percentage change when a number is changed from 80 to 100. So it is written here that original value is 80 and the increased value is 100. So the first value we have the 80 and the next value is 100. Okay, so after subtracting we got changed value. So after subtractions we got changed value, 100 minus 80 equal to 20. Okay, so now we have to take out a percentage on that changed value. So we can write it, the change value by the original value multiplied by 100. 100 because to convert into a percentage. So we can cancel the 0 0, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 4 25 is 4 5 is 20. So after multiplying the remaining part, that is 5 into 5, that is 25% is your answer. Now we have the next question, that is, in an election between two candidates, one candidate scored. So you know, everyone knows about the elections, right? So it is about the elections. In an elections between two candidates, so every time the competitions has been set up by the two candidates only. Okay, so one candidate scored 58% of the votes polled. So that means from out of the total votes, one of the candidates scored for 58% of the votes. So that means here the total number of vote is not given here, only the winner who got the votes by getting this number of votes, that is 58% of the votes polled and won the election by 18,366. So that means 58% मतलब क्या होता है, 8,366 का नंबर होता है. ठीक है, द वोट्स वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, पोल किया हुआ है. फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ द वोट्स पोल्ड एंड द वोट्स scored by each candidate. So that means find the total number of votes polled. So that means what is the total number of votes polled and the votes scored by each candidate. So that means each candidate से कितना मिला, मतलब दोनों यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक कैंडिडेट का दिया हुआ है. So we have to take out of both the candidates, winner and the loser one. And the given is the winner candidate scored votes equal to 58% and the losing candidate scored equal to votes how much. So that means we can assume that 100 is the total votes voted or the polled in that election. So that is 100 minus 58 will become a 42%. The 42% is scored by the losing candidates. Okay, the votes got by the losing candidate, that is 42%. Now we can take out what is the difference between the this winner candidate and the losing candidate. So that is 58 minus 42. So इतना डिफरेंस था. ठीक है, इतना डिफरेंस के कारण वो जीता या तो हार गया, that is 16%. So to take out the total number of votes which is scored in that particular election competition is, we are given that 16% of the votes is polled, so that 18,336. Now the 1% of the vote is polled equal to 18,336 by 16 by 100. That means 16% will come down as an infraction, that is 16 by 100. So when it is written in a normal form, that नॉर्मल फॉर्म में लिखते समय क्या होगा, वो रिवर्स हो जाएगा. ठीक है, रिवर्स मतलब 100 ऊपर चला जाएगा, 16 नीचे चला जाएगा. सो दैट मीन्स 18,336 इंटू 100 by 16. So after cutting this 18,336 by 16, we got 1146. So 1146 when multiplied with 100 got here 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakhs. So 1,14,600 votes is a total votes is scored or polled in that particular election. Now the voter, now we have to take out the first voter who has won the vote, okay, by getting the total votes. So that is 58 by 100 into 1 lakh something. So 58% means 66,468 votes the winner candidate got. And as similarly, if you take out the losing candidate also, then we got here 48,132. So if you take it a total this and this, then 11,400 1,14,600 total votes will come out. Okay, so this is the way we will take out the elections question. Okay, so according to the voter one. Now the last questions of this exercise which we will going to discuss is the number 8,000 is first increased by 20% and then decreased by 20%. Find the resulting number. Okay, so the resulting number, we have in formula, one small formula we have to find the resulting number, that is the result number equal to the original number. Okay, the original number, okay, the resulting number is equal to the original number, so equal to 8,000. Okay, so we have the original number is what, 8,000. First is increased, so that means 1 plus 20 by increase means we have to add it with this formula, 1 plus 20 by 100. And after then it is decreased by 20%, that means decreased by 20%, 1 minus 20 by 100. So after doing this complete solutions, we have 120 by 100, and after subtracting it we have 80 by 100. How it came, I'll give you a small solutions descriptions to this. Again you have a problem, that's how it came, how not came. Simply you have questions. Okay, so this is how it came. Similarly you can do 1 minus 20 by 100. So we can write it 100 minus 20, that means 100 minus 20 by 100, so will come here 80 by 100. Okay, this is how you will do it. Now the next point is, we just cancelled the 0 from here and the 0 which is common in both the side. 120 by 100, 80 by 100, that is 0 cancelled, 0 cancelled, remaining is 12 by 10 into 8 by 10. So removing the bracket, we come to know about the sign. We have to put the sign because bracket is also similar with the multiplication form. So we can, by removing the bracket, we have multiplication sign. So 8,000 into 12 by 10 into 8 by 10. So we know in the multiplications, numerator and denominator will be cancelled. 0 is cutted and 0 is cutted. So 80 into 12 into 8, we got 96. Now here remaining is 80. So 80 into 96 will come here, 7,680 is your answer. Okay, so this is the last question which we are going to discuss. After that, if you have any questions like from this exercise, you can click the photo and send me to my number. So according to that, I'll make a video. It is not possible that we discuss each and every questions in one video only. Okay, so if you have any problem in any questions while solving it, you can click that question, write that exercise, which exercise is that, and which question is that, okay, which number is that. So we can, according to that questions, we'll discuss it and I'll explain that one in the given video. Understood?